video, we will have a break first. If you cannot deal with your math lessons, let's first have a math dance, okay? So I will be teaching you 5 steps for our math dance today. The first one is the addition, okay? So this is how you have to do it. And for the subtraction, we have the minus sign. And of course, for multiplication. And for division, we will just use the slash, okay? Nad and slash. Nad and slash, okay? And then, of course, we will end with an equal sign. This is how we have to do it. So we will have 3 rounds for that. We will have our music and dance with me. Let's have a break first. So I just hope you will do this dance as your exercise. You can do it with your family. God bless you all. I just hope you have enjoyed our math dance.